Welcome to Through the Covers Episode 2, Part 2 featuring Shayanto Shengupto and Atharva Agashe.
Under the stewardship of MS Dhoni, CSK have carved their own niche in IPL by winning the IPL thrice.
We were extremely glad at that amazing response to our first video. So, we are back with a part 2. Happy watching!
So that is about MS Dhoni, and so this was me talking about CSK, one of my CSK's favorite memories. So Atharva Akashi, you can ask me something like, what is your favorite memory, and I'll just say if that has actually affected me in some way or not.
So, my question to you would be, apart from MS Dhoni, which is that one player you consider has the most value in the team?
One player I think who is a vital cog in CSK since season 1, even right now, is Suresh Raina. Without a shred of doubt, it will be Suresh Raina. He is labelled as Mr. IPL. उसका सबसे ज़्यादा runs है IPL में under his belt. He's got the most number of runs. I forgot the number. Around 3,500 or something. So वो उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा 4,000. विराट कोहली से थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. तो सुरेश रायना का जो कंसिस्टेंसी है ना, एंड द कैमराडरी एंड द रैपो which he shares with MS Dhoni, that has been very crucial for CSK success, I really feel. And coming into number 3 position of a batsman, first down position of a batsman, I feel is very important, plays a very instrumental role in the team. I think the backbone of the team, the best batsman of the team should come in at number 3. We've seen Indian cricket team में it is Virat Kohli, ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्रिकेट टीम में अभी तो नंबर 4 में आता है स्टीवन स्मिथ, बट पहले इट वाज स्टीवन स्मिथ कमिंग इन एट नंबर 3. तो जब सीएसके कम्स इन एट नंबर 3, वी नो दैट ही प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल एंड ही हैज a truckload of runs under his belt and he can chip in with his bowling as well. He's a part-time off spinner. बहुत ही सही है. एंड एक दो मैचेस में भी वो कैप्टनसी किया है, बट उसका कैप्टनसी उतना अच्छा नहीं है जैसे गुजरात लायंस में था. गुजरात लायंस में he was fabulous. I think एक सीजन में गुजरात लायंस, the first season they were there, if I'm not wrong, it was 2016. They finished in the top of the table. So yes, he's a very good captain as well. Indian team भी captaincy किया है. तो I think one valuable asset of CSK apart from Dhoni will be Raina, and he has many more years of cricket left to him. And if he can make a comeback to the Indian cricket team, I feel it is through CSK that he can stage a comeback.
Yes, definitely. Sticking to the current topic, I had one of the questions from one of my friends. He asked about the consistency of Suresh Raina. Like, what is the main reason that he is consistent throughout the years? He has scored runs in every IPL season he has played. Like, Chennai Super Kings can totally depend on Suresh Raina. So, what is probably the main reason behind his success?
Look, I feel there are two reasons, like, which I think, this is my personal opinion. First is that when you get the captain support, जब तेरे को कैप्टन का बैकिंग मिल रहा है कि देख, आई विल गिव यू 13 मैचेस टू प्ले, 14 मैचेस होता है इन एन आईपीएल, तेरे को मैं 13-14 मैचेस दूंगा, यू जस्ट गो देयर एंड परफॉर्म इवन इफ यू फेल इन 1 or 2 मैचेस, बट यू विल बी इन द टीम. अगर वो सेटिस्फैक्शन रहता है कि या योर प्लेस विल बी सीमेंटेड इन द टीम, आई थिंक दैट अकाउंट्स फॉर अ ब्रिलियंट परफॉर्मेंस. So this particular thing where you have the captain support, where you have the captain's mental assurance, I think that is one reason why Suresh Raina has performed well. And also I feel कि जब team really needs you, when the team shows you that yes, you are important in the team, that time a player's performance increase. मतलब इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम में जब ऑलवेज तू शैडो में है कि नेक्स्ट मैच खेलेगा कि नहीं, उतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. देयर आर वेरी बिग प्लेयर्स लाइक रोहित शर्मा, विराट कोहली, एंड यू प्ले सेकंड फिडल इन मोस्ट ऑफ द इनिंग. बट सीएसके में वो सिचुएशन नहीं है. सीएसके में ही इज द फ्रंट लाइन बैट्समैन. He is the batsman who plays, मतलब he has a lot of responsibilities under him. So that is what I feel कि उसका importance है. His presence is felt in CSK and that really powers his performance. And Raina is a player who's been through a roller coaster ride. बहुत ups and downs हुआ है उसका लाइफ में. And जब भी उसको एक assurance होता है ना mentally कि यार मतलब मेरा performance can be, माने people are looking at my performance, people are actually feeling my performance. So आई थिंक इसीलिए उसका बहुत कंसिस्टेंट रहा है वो. एंड 1-2 सीजन में नहीं, हर एक सीजन में लगातार, सीजन 1 से सीजन ये तक, इवन गुजरात लायंस के लिए भी बहुत ही अच्छा प्रदर्शन किया है वो. मेरे को लगता है यही 2 रीजन मेरा साइड से.
और एक बात पूछोगे तो चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स के किसी भी फैन को पूछोगे या इफ यू गो टू चेन्नई एंड आस्क दोस पीपल they will tell you two things. MS Dhoni is Thala, that is the boss or the I exactly don't know the translation. It is Thala and Chinna Thala. Chinna Thala is the small boss or the junior boss, and Chinna Thala is the title given to Suresh Raina. So definitely is the second most loved person in Chennai in terms of cricket.
एब्सोल्युटली. तो इतना लव आता है ना. एक मैं वीडियो देख रहा था कि जस्ट बिफोर द कोविड क्राइसिस सुरेश रैना वाज बैटिंग इन द नेट्स. ठीक है, वो प्रैक्टिस नेट्स कर रहा था एंड चेपॉक में भाई स्टेडियम इतना बड़ा है एंड मतलब अगर स्टेडियम बड़ा भी है बट व्हेन द क्राउड स्टार्ट्स टॉकिंग नो मतलब एकदम इन यूनिसन दैट हैपेंड. इट्स अ इलेक्ट्रीफाइंग एटमॉस्फेयर. तो जब वो बैटिंग करने आया था प्रैक्टिस नेट्स पे, एक बॉल आके वो डिफेंस किया, बैक ऑफ द लाइन डिलीवरी था, वो फ्रंट फुट डिफेंस किया बैक ऑफ द लाइन डिलीवरी को भी एंड एवरीवन स्टार्टेड शाउटिंग रायना रायना. वो क्या साइट था. मैंने प्रैक्टिस मैच, एक प्रैक्टिस सेशन में भी भाई अगर इतना सपोर्ट आ सकता है फॉर अ प्लेयर तो डेफिनेटली उसका परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा होगा मैच में भी. और मैच में तो मतलब कोई आई डोंट नीड टू से एनीथिंग, यू नो इट ऑल. सो वंडरफुल मैन. आई फील रायना इज एन इंडिस्पेंसेबल पार्ट ऑफ सीएसके.
चेन्नई की एक और बात है, 2018 में जब वो वापस आए बैन के बाद, तो उनके प्रैक्टिस सेशंस के लिए क्राउड का अटेंडेंस ऑलमोस्ट 10,000 रहता था हर प्रैक्टिस सेशन में. So their fans play a wonderful role in the team success as well, as you consider the fans and the crowd to be the 12th man. Exactly. So they play an amazing role. The support that Chennai gets is bigger than any other team in IPL.
भाई अगर इतना सपोर्ट मिले तो किसी का भी परफॉर्मेंस, अगर अपना ITS मैच में इतना सपोर्ट आ जाए ना तो we won the first year as batch 22. अगर आ गया तो we'll win those 2-3 matches.
Yes, definitely.
Support बहुत ही important है. So Agashe, I'll ask you one more thing कि CSK, this is a very important question. I think every sports journalist need to answer उनका point of view से कि धोनी जब 2021 में रिटायर कर जाए या फिर 2022 में when he hangs up his boots from cricket, when he is not in CSK, who do you think will captain CSK and do you think CSK will actually have a consistent performance from them जैसे कि अभी रहा है धोनी का कैप्टनसी में? Do you think ये सेम चीज कंटिन्यू रहेगा?
ऐसा है कि इफ यू वॉच द ट्रेंड, कोई भी प्लेयर सीएसके में आए तो वो ब्रिलियंट परफॉर्म कर जाता है. Like Ambati Rayudu was a brilliant batsman in Mumbai, but he was not the dependable person in Mumbai. But when he came to CSK, he turned around so many matches. Shane Watson पिछले सीजन में इतना अच्छा नहीं खेला था, पर जब वो CSK में आया, he scored 2 centuries. And in that season, in 2018 one, in which the CSK won, there were 5 centuries scored in IPL, and 3 of them were from Chennai. One from Rayudu and 2 from Shane Watson. So the team has that temperament. Like कोई भी player आ जाए वो CSK में आके perform करता है. And if we talk about particularly Dhoni, I probably don't have any clue after Dhoni what will happen to CSK, because it is that type of question which hardly anybody could answer, because he has created that aura around himself in the team as well. He has been the captain, he has been the finisher, he's been the backbone of the team. So when he leaves, Chennai will probably have to think about what next.
Probably auction पे डिपेंड करेगा एंड मतलब कौन कौन सा प्लेयर ले. तो वी होप फॉर द बेस्ट. वी होप कि चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स falls in good hand after Dhoni. Do you have anything to say, or do we keep it for over here till now? Then
basically, one more thing, as we had discussed in the Mumbai Indians session, the core members of the team matter a lot. From season 1, it has been Murli Vijay. No, Murli Vijay came a bit later, but Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Suresh Raina, Stephen Fleming was there, and now he is the coach. Muralidharan was there, Jadeja, DJ Bravo. So these are the kind of people who have been in the team for a very long time. They have built the core same as Mumbai Indians. And there are few players who come in and go out. But as I said before, each and every player has performed brilliantly. Mohit Sharma came into the CSK team in 2014 season. And in 2015 or 2014, he was a brilliant bowler. He took around 20-22 wickets. He was brilliant at the start of the innings and as well as the death overs. mainly his back of the hand delivery. That used to confuse the batsman a lot. Again, one more thing, if I had to say, Lakshmipati Balaji was there. Now he is the bowling coach of Chennai Super Kings. Muralidharan was there, and MSD mainly focused on the bowlers who were brilliant for him. Like if a batsman is particularly good at against spin, you won't let the spinners go and bowl to the batsmen who are actually good. You retain them for the next overs. And if a batsman is particularly weak for a spin player, he won't mind giving the bowler a third over even if the number of overs are restricted.
For us.
The
Exactly.
first 6 or 7 overs, if the bowler is working, he is giving brilliant overs, taking some wickets. He'll also give him the third over.
एग्जैक्टली जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि कैप्टन का सपोर्ट बहुत क्रूशल होता है एक बॉलर का माइंडसेट का, बॉलर का विजन का कि कैसे बॉलिंग करेगा. और सीएसके का team has been consistent. Their backbone has been consistent. There's been MS Dhoni, Chennai, there's been Raina, MS Dhoni, Ravindra Jadeja, Ashwin. बहुत सालों से ये लोग एक, और when I feel that when a lot of people they start playing together, no, they share a different kind of bond and they will naturally excel क्योंकि off the field also they are spending so much time. On the field obviously they are having fun. And this definitely plays a very crucial role. And when Bravo also Mumbai Indians से आ गया यहाँ पे Chennai Super Kings में, there was Muthaiya Muralidharan who played only for 3 seasons from 2008 to 2010, but he was very crucial. He picked 41 wickets in those 3 seasons, and so definitely we know Ashwin was there. And right now we have Harbhajan Singh, Karan Sharma, and everyone. Even they have been playing good. Imran Tahir.